If you're in Samoa, you will need to be registered. You will need to get a Vodafone SIM card, which is free, and then go online and register.
For
That's
MTALA.
it, for MTALA.
Okay. All right, can you quickly tell us again about the percentage special? Because after this, we're going to do the questions.
Shake it. With our percentage special, we have our Samsung A06 4G selling at $349, Motorola G34 at only $299. We also have our Samsung A26, A36, and A56. Even our 5G routers are on this percentage special, selling at really low costs. And our Blackview 8C selling at $229, and Wave 8C 4 Plus only $249.
And you do have your 5G routers too.
Yes, we do have our 5G routers.
And financing for your phones? Who are the three companies again?
Our three companies are Bravos Limited, Samo Surety, and Dornies Finance.
And your top-end phones are?
iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung S25 Ultra.
Okay. All right, stand by. We get your questions coming up shortly, okay? All right, so me and Val have worked out the questions for you. We're trying to keep it really simple, right, Val?
It's the simplest questions I've ever seen.
All right, name the three Samsung phones, any Samsung phone that we talked about this morning. Okay? Question 2. Why is the 5G router better than the 4G router? Yeah? Question 3. Name the three finance companies that Vodafone uses and you could use to finance your product.
Yes.
Okay? Now you can finance your phone, you can finance your
laptop or your 5G router.
All right. So name the three finance companies. What is the website that you go to? Remember we talked about the website that has all the Vodafone products and you can shop online? What is the website? Val told you earlier.
I did.
And the final question is MTALA. What can you pay with MTALA? You know, and we were talking about this, okay?
Yes.
All right, so text your answers into the number 398, okay? 398. Well, all the best. Answer as many questions as you can, okay? Anything else, Val, you want to talk about with Vodafone?
Yes, thank you. Since my dear friend Lavina hasn't come in yet, I have our fiber to the home as well, our FTTH as it's known. We have a special going on at 149 Tala. This is for our residential customers, and you get unlimited data. You get a free 3G fixed landline, and this is for postpaid and for residential customers only. The second option is our 199 Tala, and you get unlimited data, your free 3G fixed landline, and your Moana TV. So those are the two FTTH packages that's on special right now. And remember, it's just for our residential customers. And yeah, this is your chance. Unlimited data. Unlimited data for the 149 Tala and 199 Tala FTTH.
Do you still have your Moana TV?
Yes, we do have our Moana TV ongoing right now. Remember, there's a lot of channels on it.
Can people overseas watch it?
They can. They can, as long as they have the app. Okay, so the good thing about it, there's a lot of, but with, more tangata i Samoa, like they have the cooking channels, you know, they have the insignia channels on it as well. It's very useful. And for the oldies, you know how there's dramas, there's Korean dramas, and we also have the local TV channels on it.
And how about kiddie channels?
Even the kids channels, yes, we do have that. We have the Nickelodeon, even the sports channels as well. We also have that. So yeah.
Talking about sports, Manu Samoa is going to be playing this weekend.
Yeah.
Friday.
I saw. And we are the major sponsor.
Yeah?
Yeah, Vodafone. So Vodafone is so grateful to be sponsoring them. You know.
3 p.m. kickoff this Friday at Eden Park in Auckland. I was wondering why the games are going to be held in Eden Park. But it's because Apia Park has been fixed.
Yep. I saw.
New Manu Samoa head coach Lemalu Tusipisi wants Friday's one-off test match against Scotland to set the pace for their 2025 Pacific Cup Nations Cup campaign. Because Fiji beat Scotland over the weekend in Fiji.
Yeah, I saw that on.
Fiji's
That was a good win.
The Malu will be led by Captain Theodore McFarlane, Michael Alalatua, Samuel Slade, Taleni Seu, Meilani Matavao, Alai D'Angelo Lewila, and Henry Taefu. The game will be at Eden Park in Auckland due to Apia Park undergoing major renovations. Tusi Pisi's, remember him and his brother were also parts of Samoa.
Yeah.
Is the former Manu Samoa captain. Says his team's focus in the past weeks have been on setting the standards they want for the players and hoping to securing a spot at the 2027 Rugby World Cup, which is going to be held in Australia. Like it was the last time it was in France.
Yeah.
The coaching panel includes former prop Census Johnson, who is the scrum and overall forwards, Kane Thompson assisting with the lineouts and contact skills, and Ty Lavere, head coach of Toshiba Braves, will be the defense coach. Now, Manu Samoa lost out on its automatic qualifications at the World Cup because they did not make the top 8 at the 2023 event in France. World Rugby has since expanded the number of teams to compete in Australia, going 4 teams up. So previously it was 20, now they've gone 24 teams at the Rugby World Cup. The PNC Series, this is the Pacific Nations Cup, kicks off on the 23rd of August, will double as a Rugby World Cup qualifier. Who's playing? Manu Samoa, Kaletahi of Tonga, Canada, Japan, and the American Eagles. And of course, Fiji. However, Fiji and Japan are the only teams to have qualified now for the Rugby World Cup. So they've already qualified. Top 3 teams from the series will advance. Will have a place at the Rugby World Cup, so we better be in the top 3.
We better be, yeah.
Okay, so
Let's have a look at the winners.
Oh my God! Yes!
Oh my God, oh my God.
all right, here are your winners for today. Now, I'm going to ask the question, and then Val, you will say the answer, okay? Name the 3 Samsung phones we talked about.
Samsung A26, Samsung A36, and Samsung A56.
Okay. Question 2. Why is the 5G router better than the 4G?
It's because it's the fastest that we have in stock.
Name the 3 finance companies that Vodafone deals with.
Bravos Limited, Samo Surety, and Dornies Finance.
And for you to do your shopping online, you need to go onto Vodafone's website. And the website is?
www.vodafone.com.ws.
And finally, my lifesaver, MTALA. You know how many times my power's gone? Toot, 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 toot. Isn't that the worst sound?
The rose sound. You know what I do? I just press on the star key just to make it mute.
Just shut it up.
That's what I do.
Huh.
Yep.
Really? So you press the star key?
Yeah,
I
just
didn't
for it
know
to
that.
go mute. Yeah, you can try it.
And then you forget about topping it up.
I always do it on my mom and dad's house. Their meter, I just make it go silent.
So
And
they
then,
don't ask you to top it up.
and then they call me in the middle. Yo, ako so liang And then I have no choice but to go onto my MTALA and buy the
Yeah, so-
power for them.
Yeah, so MTALA, what can MTALA pay for you?
You can do cash power, EPC bill, SWA bill, your school fees at NUS and USAP. You can also buy e-charge on it and a whole lot more.
How about an account at JP's? Pay my bar tab
Koi kiki ya.
and a fat burger. All right, we say congratulations to our winners this morning. I'll read out the last 4 numbers. Okay, 4140, 4545, 1438, 2950, 7716, 8888, 1986, 0800, 1438, and 7438. Those are our winners, our 10 winners for this week's program with Vodafone. Congratulations. Well, that's about it for us. Thank you, Val. Thank you, Endelani, for just hanging out. giving us moral support.
Oh, thank you so much for having us here.
We'll catch up again next week.
Yep, sure.
Okay. All right. So remember, Vodafone, they got their 2 main locations there. If you want to sign up for MTA, where can they go to sign up?
They go online.
Okay.
They either go online. If they need help, they just walk into any of our 8 stores. There's 1 in Savai'i and 7 in Upolu. Just a reminder on the locations, our branch at Vaitele by Farmer Joe's compound, they open at 7 a.m. and only closes at 7 p.m. So no need to rush. There's always our Vaitele office.